I don't know if they're going to be able to reuse this fender. It may be more expensive to repair it than just put a new fender on. So, don't know how that's going to come out yet. Okay, it looks like they've got the material in place, getting it ready to weld. Looks like we've got the holes ready to weld around here. Got it all clamped down below. It's looking like they're getting ready to put it together. Looks like it's going to be put back in shape.
In here, and then in here I have to seam seal because you can feel where the panels join.
Oh yeah.
So that gets seam sealer on it too.
Right. Okay, so you've got it all brazed together. You'd never know what happened.
No, that's pretty small, you know.
I know, that's pretty amazing how you did that. So
one of these days I should look into doing it for a living.
cool.
I enjoy it though, so that, you know, it makes it fun.
Yeah. Okay. And so, you got all those.
And then I had to order. I don't have the pieces anymore. There's like one piece in here that goes on the floor, and then there's a piece that goes to it, and then all this outer stuff goes to that. So that's brand new in there too, because it was smashed.
Right.
Stronger.
Stronger.
My welds are bigger than factory.
Yeah.
And I'm on a computer, so.
Well, I'll try not to test it.
Yeah, don't. You can if you want to,
No,
but don't.
No. I think that's it. So. Okay. All right.
And I do have a new running board. Yes, there. Or
Oh, the rock
bar.
grill. Yeah. Good deal. All right. So, when do you anticipate the finished product?
They probably won't start messing with it, but there's good possibility end of next week.
Okay. Good deal.
Because they're kind of backed up downstairs, so.